Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at this Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 90 by GCD. Okay, to start it off, this GCD model, okay, the Land Cruiser Prado 90, okay, comes wrapped in a heat shrink plastic packaging. It comes in an orange box, typical of GCD models. Just like this one, well, this is the Land Cruiser 100, and also Cygnus, okay, the Land Cruiser Cygnus. Okay, we haven't unboxed this one yet, these two, and we're going to do that soon on our channel. Okay, going back to the Prado 90, okay, this is a very good one. Okay, packaging itself, as I said, typical orange box from GCD. And, okay, first off, it's a wonderful illustration of the Land Cruiser Prado on the side, and as always, it's a windowed box sleeve. Okay, windowed box rather. Okay, get well see the model right away. It's inside. Okay, on the other side says Toyota official products, Sunart International. This is GCD. Okay, and this is number 113. Okay, Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. So we're going to unwrap this one. Okay, while I do this, okay, once again, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook and Instagram pages, okay, for more diecast pics and reels. Okay, so why don't you check that one? Okay, as I've said, box came with this plastic heat shrink packaging. Okay, and here's the box. I'm going to unbox this one. Okay. Ooh, this one is nice. Okay. Okay. As always, this model came with the GCD cloth. Okay. I've been using this. Okay. There's another one. Okay. Thank you, GCD. Keep our models dust free. Okay, then set that one aside. Okay, model sits on a plastic base, okay, with a clear acrylic cover. Okay, and as always, the model isn't secured in a box by any screws. Okay, nonetheless, model secured inside by this plastic mold. Okay, now we're going to take this one off. Okay, first we're going to remove this sticky tape from the bottom. Okay, clear plastic cover. Okay, model sits on this plastic mold. Okay, the base itself says GCD Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 90 1/64 scale. Now here's the model itself. Oh, this one is nice. Okay, before we get to talk about the model, okay, this one, the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, okay, released in 1996, okay, until the year 2002. Okay, predecessor of this was not the Land Cruiser 80, but the Land Cruiser 70 series. Okay, well, still a Land Cruiser. Okay, this is the refined version, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Okay, with I guess this doesn't come with a solid axle on front. Okay, independent front suspension. Okay, Anyway, this is a very good model. Okay, comes in green. Okay, first off, the model rolls smoothly with its rubber threaded tires and very good wheel design, all 4 of them. Okay, and also the spare tire at the back. Okay, going to talk about that in detail later. Okay, first off, I'm going to start on the side. Okay, very good paint. Okay, very good details on it. Okay, fender flares painted silver. Okay, part of the mold itself. Okay, panel lines are not too deep and not too shallow. It's very good. Okay, door levers are part of the mold, painted silver and black. Okay, very good. And also has clear windows and some black trimmings. Okay, very good one. And some very minute details here at the back. Ooh, that one is nice. Okay, and also some vents, rear vents are part of the mold and painted. Okay, side mirrors are plastic. Okay, with some reflective stickers on it. Okay, there you go. Okay, and also fender lamps, corner lamps, or signal lights. Okay, painted orange on the side. Okay, moving on to the front. Okay, this one's nice. Okay, bumper itself is detailed, has details on it. Okay, has colored silver. Okay, same as the fender flares. Okay. Bumper has clear plastic inserts for this one, for fog lamps. Okay, auxiliary lights. Okay, has detailed vents. Okay, on the bumper. Okay, detailed grills. Okay, bumper has a Land Cruiser license plate. Okay, I think that's made out of tampos. Okay, moving on to the front grille. Front grille has details on it. Okay, very good. And the Toyota logo, very well made. Okay, headlights are clear, plastic inserts with some details on the inside. Ooh, both of them. That's nice, including the corner lamps. Okay, all white. Okay. Moving on to the hood. Hood is very good. Okay. Oh, failed to mention, this is a full die-cast body. Okay. And on the hood, okay, you have some engine vents here, and also plastic windshield wipers. Okay. Has clear windshield on it. Okay, very well. See what's inside. Okay, that's good. And this Prado model has a sunroof. Okay, very good one. So we could see the details. Okay, more on that later. Okay, the roof has some details on it. Okay, very good one. And roof rails. Okay, roof rails are made of plastic. Okay, that's been placed on top of the roof. Okay, moving on to the rear. Okay, rear windows, as you can see, ooh, has some good details on it. Has rear defogger lines. Okay, and some details on it. Okay, the black trims. Okay, and also for the rear tailgate, okay, sits the spare tire. Okay, the spare tire has a cover. It says Toyota Land Cruiser. Okay, same as the rubber threaded tires mounted on the vehicle itself. Okay, it also has Toyota markings. Okay, and also a Land Cruiser license plate. Okay, for taillights, okay, these are clear plastic inserts, okay, with painted details on it. Very nice. And also for the rear bumper, there are some, okay, details on it, okay, painted red. I think those are reflectors. Okay, very good details on the bumper. Okay, and moreover, okay, as you can see, these are like step boards, okay, on the rear of the Land Cruiser Prado. Okay, this has no opening parts. Okay, doors cannot be opened. Okay, nonetheless, still good. Okay, moving on to the inside, as I've said, you can very well clearly see what's inside because of the clear windows and the sunroof. Okay, and what I like about this is that the interiors are painted tan or beige. Okay, it's very well see. Very good details inside. Okay, the 3 rows seats have details on them. Okay, and also, I don't know if it's clear there, door pads. Okay, the doors on the inside have details also. Ooh, as you can see, very well made. And moving on to the dashboard, okay, has some very good details on them also. Steering wheel painted the same, silver, or rather tan or beige. And also on the center console, okay, see some color separation there. Okay, transmission is colored black. Ooh, this one's nice. And as you can see on the inside, okay, there's some gauges on top of the dashboard, which are detailed as well. Ooh, this one is nice. Okay, very well made. Okay, moving on to the bottom. Okay, bottom is made out of metal chassis. Okay, some good details on it. Exhaust system. Okay, from the catalytic converter to the muffler down to the muffler tip. Okay, it's detailed, painted silver, very well. Also some details on the chassis itself. Okay, front skid plate. Ooh, very nice. Okay, and also part of the chassis are the mud flaps. Okay, colored black. There they are. Okay, another plastic. Okay, and also, okay, part of the chassis are the rock sliders, or typically called step boards here, which also got some details on them on both sides. Ooh, very well made. Okay, since this is a GCD model, okay, what I like about GCD models is that that's working steering. Okay, as you can see, very well made. Okay, and also it looks good when you use this for photo shoots. Okay, like that. Okay, that's working steering. Nice, very good. Very good model. Okay. Okay, now for size comparison, I'm going to bring out another GCD model that I like. This is the Land Cruiser 80 series. Okay, this is the first GCD model that we have in the garage. Okay, here it is. This is the Land Cruiser 80. Okay, we featured this a couple of years ago. Okay, in our YouTube channel, and as I've said, this is one of my favorite models. There are a lot of pictures of this model in our Facebook and Instagram pages. Okay, might as well check them out. Okay, now for size, okay, bring them, okay, on front. Okay, there you have it. Okay, since this Land Cruiser 80 has been set up with bigger tires, okay, it sits quite high as compared to the Prado. Nonetheless, okay, there you have it. Their sizes are not that far off. Okay, very well made, both of them. Okay, okay, let me set that one. Ooh, they look good together. Okay, and here at the back. Okay, oh, that one is nice. Okay, I guess GCD never fails to amaze us. Okay, if you want to check out some of the other GCD models, okay, we featured them in our YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to leave some links on them, on those videos, on the description down below. Okay, so there you have it, the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 90 by GCD. Another wonderful model, okay, made by GCD, and we're glad and happy to have them here in our garage. Okay, we're going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.